they found a very mysterious object that is sending out bursts of energy every 20 minutes. It was sending out energy bursts that were so big that it was one of the largest radio sources in the entire sky.
Explore the mysteries of our planet. Some things make us wonder if they're not from Earth. From weird minerals to objects that look like UFOs. Join us on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets behind 20 intriguing things. This video will challenge what we know about Earth and make you curious about what might be from other worlds. Get ready for an exciting adventure into the unknown. The Voic Manuscript. In Yale University's rare book library, there's a mysterious book called the Voic Manuscript, found by rare book dealer Wilfred Voynich 100 years ago. It has strange drawings and a mysterious script that nobody can read. The book is a puzzle with pictures of strange things like flowers and people. Even though it talks about nature and the stars, we can't understand the writing. People have tried to figure it out for a long time, but it's still a mystery. The book has a fascinating history, passing through different owners like Holy Roman Emperor Rudolph II and alchemist John Dee. The Voic Manuscript keeps its secrets well, making people wonder if it holds ancient alien knowledge from Earth's past. The Ubide Lizardman. In the early 1900s, archaeologists found ancient artifacts in Tel al-Ubaid, Iraq, dating back 7,000 years. These artifacts depict figures with human and reptilian features. The Ubaid culture, dating to 45,500 BC, predates the Sumerians and shows advanced civilization traits. Villages evolved into towns with T-shaped houses and paved streets. Among these discoveries, mysterious figurines with elongated heads, almond-shaped eyes, and lizard-like features emerged in places like Tel al-Ubaid. These humanoid reptilian hybrids are portrayed in various poses, holding scepters or breastfeeding lizard-type babies. Their significance remains unclear, but they were essential to the Ubaid people, possibly having religious or cultural symbolism. Dropa Stones. In the faraway mountains between China and Tibet, there's a fascinating mystery dating back 12,000 years. In 1938, a Chinese professor named Chi Pu discovered something intriguing, the Dropa Stones. These are 716 round discs, each about a foot wide. What makes them special is the small hieroglyphic-like markings arranged in double spirals from a center hole. When explored, the stones were found near graves of unusual beings, only 4 feet tall, with oddly shaped skulls. Nearby, a cave had rock art showing figures with round helmets, drawings of celestial bodies, and dots connecting them. The Dropa stones look similar to ancient Bai discs in China from around 3000 BC. In 1968, a Russian scientist examined the stones and found an unusual composition with high amounts of cobalt and other metals. These ancient objects challenge what we know, making us wonder about the secrets held by the Dropa stones. Strange mineral in the Dead Sea. Scientists have made a remarkable discovery in the Negev Desert of Israel, just southwest of the Dead Sea. They found an otherworldly mineral called alabogdanite, previously thought to be exclusive to extraterrestrial meteorites. This challenges our understanding of earthly mineral formations. Unlike its cosmic counterpart, the Dead Sea's alabogdanite suggests a potential extraterrestrial origin. The analysis of samples reveals that terrestrial alabogdanite forms under extreme pressure, exceeding 25 gigapascals, a condition not commonly associated with Earth's geological processes. The mystery deepens as there's no evidence of significant meteorite impacts in the region, and rocks in the modeled zone show no clear ties to Earth's mantle. The question remains, how did this terrestrial alabogdanite come into existence? Unraveling this earthly cosmic puzzle depends on discovering more instances of the mysterious mineral, providing crucial clues to its origin. The Russian UFO tooth wheel. About 300 million years ago, a gear shift, a regular machine part, was discovered in a chunk of coal in Russia. Dmitry from Vovoso residence found it while getting ready for winter. A metal rail in ancient coal? Since he didn't recognize it, he reached out to biologist Valery Brier. Researchers were surprised because the strange object looked like an artificially created toothed metal rail. According to the Voice of Russia, this coal chunk is from the 300-million-year-old Chernogorsk mines, way before humans existed. The interesting part? The metal piece has a shape like a modern tooth wheel. Can nature really shape 6 identical teeth? That's doubtful, says geologist Sharon Hill. who finds the story lockable. But could it be a relic from time travel or perhaps something made by aliens? Mysterious Desert Zigzag Line. In 2011, Google Earth enthusiasts discovered a maze of white lines in the desert, forming intricate grids. Speculation arose about encoded messages from outer space due to the precise formations. Some experts suggested a down-to-earth explanation, proposing that these lines resembled calibration targets for spy satellites. The patterns, located in the Gobi Desert, raised suspicions, with some questioning the resolution of China's spy satellite cameras. Is this a cover-up for extraterrestrial communication, or is it a covert spy satellite operation? The mystery remains, with the formations spanning a vast area of 65 miles in width and 1.15 miles in length. Little Green Men. In 1967, at the Mullard Radio Astronomy Observatory, 24-year-old PhD student Jocelyn Bell detected a 1 part in 10 million anomaly in her chart recordings amidst 120 meters of radio telescope antenna. This discovery marked the detection of pulsars, dense celestial objects born from collapsing massive stars. Pulsars, acting like cosmic lighthouses, spin rapidly, emitting opposing beams of radio waves into space. Bell Burnell's work not only uncovered pulsar secrets, but also supported Einstein's gravity theory. Despite her significant contribution, the Nobel Prize awarded in 1974 went to her advisor, Anthony Hewish, sparking controversy. The question remains, who truly discovered these cosmic phenomena? The Moai Statues of Easter Island. The Moai Statues are located in Easter Island and were carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1400 and 1650 AD. These statues are not just heads but have entire bodies and weigh up to 86 tons. They are around 33 feet tall and were carved using primitive toki tools from the Rano Raraku volcano. The Moai statues were created to honor departed chieftains and are positioned on rectangular stone platforms called ahu. Each statue was crafted with unique features to represent the person it honored. Legend has it that a woman named Nua P. Yuri, who had powerful mana powers, toppled the statues when her children left her hungry. It is still believed by some elders. The Rapa Nui people, not aliens, transported these statues across challenging terrains using toki chisels. The mystery of how they did it still remains. Muamua. Muamua is a cosmic object that passed by our planet and was initially thought to be an interstellar comet. However, it quickly became apparent that it was unlike anything we've seen in our solar system. It is oddly elongated, which fueled wild theories and debates on whether it was a spaceship manned by extraterrestrial beings. Muamua accelerated mysteriously as it journeyed away from the sun, while comets usually speed up due to outgassing. Muamua showed no visible signs of such activity. The peculiar form of Muamua has sparked debates and wild theories. Some speculate that it might be an alien probe powered by an unknown force within. In summary, Muamua is a strange cosmic wanderer that has characteristics defying the norms of typical comets and asteroids. Black Knight Satellite. In recent times, the Black Knight satellite has resurfaced in cosmic conspiracies, with claims of it being an alien satellite allegedly shot down by elite soldiers from the Illuminati. This legend, existing for over 120 years, revolves around an extraterrestrial spacecraft said to be in near polar orbit around Earth. The conspiracy gained momentum with images from the STS-88 mission in 1998, showing a black object above Earth during the International Space Station's construction. Astronaut Jerry Ross clarified that the object was a thermal cover lost during a spacewalk mishap. Originating from Nikola Tesla's 1899 radio signals, enthusiasts linked them to the Black Knight. Antira Mechanism. In 1900, Greek sponge divers found something incredible off the coast of Antikythera. Among the wreckage was the Antira Mechanism, a mysterious object that puzzled historians for over a century. When revealed at the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, it turned out to be a sophisticated device with bronze gears, challenging the idea that ancient Greeks couldn't have such advanced technology. Dating back to 60 to 70 BCE, possibly 200 BCE, the mechanism was a celestial calculator, showing the Greeks' deep understanding of planetary motions. Alien Target Practice. In a village in Bosnia, a man named Radivoje Lajic says aliens are aiming meteorites at his house when it rains. This has been happening since 2007 and has surprised scientists. Lajic is reinforcing his roof with steel to handle the supposed alien attacks, convinced that the 6 incidents are on purpose and show an extraterrestrial grudge. Scientists from Belgrade University agree the rocks are from space and are checking the magnetic fields around Lajic's home. Despite all this, Lajic wants to turn his house, hit by meteorites, into a museum to get attention from around the world. Tron UFO Incident. On September 19, 1976, something strange happened in the night sky over Tehran. People reported seeing bird or helicopter-like objects, initially dismissed as stars by the Iranian Air Force. However, a supervisor saw something mysterious to the naked eye in the north, and the Air Force sent a jet to check it out, about 70 miles away. Despite the jet's speed, it struggled to get closer, and its instruments malfunctioned when nearing the UFO, returning to normal only when moving away. Declassified NSA documents from 2020 describe a UFO with pulsating lights, making it hard to figure out its size or shape. The Dogu Figurine. In ancient Japan, during the Jomon period, special clay figures called Dogu were discovered. They were showcased in the 2009 exhibition The Power of Dogu at the British Museum, revealing a history spanning thousands of years. These figures, with intricate designs, are linked to the Jomon culture, showing a connection to nature and spirits. Although their purpose remains uncertain, they hold a captivating presence in prehistoric Japan, influencing today's culture and manga comics and computer games. The Moai Man. In the remote South Australian desert, the Moai Man, a giant figure resembling an indigenous hunter and stretching 4.2 kilometers, remains a colossal mystery. Entrepreneur Dick Smith offers a $5,000 challenge to uncover its secrets. Discovered in 1998, the origin involves anonymous faxes, clues tied to the Branch Davidian cult, and an Olympic-style plaque near its nose. Despite denials, suspicions linger, fueled by a deathbed confession from artist Bardius Goldberg. Created before GPS, the Moai Man's construction remains unclear, lacking evidence of heavy machinery. Retraced in 2016, the ancient giant continues to baffle, leaving the question, who orchestrated this colossal masterpiece? Alien hand. In the Peruvian tunnels, paranormal enthusiasts from the Institute in Cusco claim to have found evidence of an alien claw, accompanied by a mysterious skull. Despite skeptics, the researchers, led by French explorer Thierry Jamin and Dr. Edson Salazar Vivanco, stand by their January 2016 expedition, presenting X-rays of the mummified hand with 3 fingers and metallic implants. Dr. Vivanco suggests the hand belonged to a being between 2.7 meter and 3 meter tall, supported by assessments from experts. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial beings leaving their mark in the depths of Peruvian tunnels? Dead Vlei. In Namibia's mystical desert lies Dead Vlei, a surreal white clay pan surrounded by towering sand dunes, including colossal ones known as Big Daddies, reaching 300 to 400 meters. This ghostly landscape is framed by 900-year-old camel thorn trees, witnesses to a time when the Sab River's waters were blocked by encroaching sand dunes, sealing the fate of these trees around 600 to 700 years ago. The relentless sun and arid climate preserved their skeletal remains, casting an otherworldly spell on Dead Vlei, chunk of ancient protoplanet. In the vast Sahara Desert, a significant discovery occurred in spring 2020. Chesh 002, an exceptionally rare meteorite fragment from an embryonic planet predating Earth. This volcanic space rock, part of the andesitic volcanic family, provides a unique glimpse into the early solar system. Led by geochemist Jean-Alex Barat from the University of Western Brittany, scientists eagerly studied this celestial time capsule. Through meticulous analysis, the team determined its age, a staggering 4.566 billion years, offering insights into planetary formation before Earth's existence. It's a fascinating reminder that not everything was made by humans. Giant footprint. In the heart of the United States, a groundbreaking discovery has shaken the archaeological world. Fossilized footprints, dating back 12,000 years, were found in the salt flats of the U.S. Air Force Utah Testing and Training Range. These footprints, known as ghost tracks, emerged under specific moisture conditions, offering a captivating glimpse into the lives of prehistoric humans as the last ice age ended. Archaeologist Thomas Urban uncovered 88 footprints imprinted by bare feet in the mud, portraying a vivid picture of ancient life. Shri Yantra Geoglyph. In the vast Oregon desert on September 12, 1990, a mysterious discovery left scientists puzzled and sparked wild theories. Imagine finding a quarter-of-a-mile-wide Shri Yantra, a sacred Hindu symbol intricately carved into the dry lake bed, about 70 miles southeast of Burns, Oregon. Lieutenant Bill Miller's routine flight on August 10, 1990, revealed this gigantic geoglyph with machine-like precision, resembling the ancient Hindu meditation device. Stretching over a quarter of a mile and etched 3 inches deep into the hardpan, this desert masterpiece consisted of precisely scored lines, each 10 inches wide. Surprisingly, despite routine training flights above by the Idaho Air National Guard, no one noticed the formation being made. It seemingly materialized overnight, adding to the air of mystery. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel until we see you in the next video.